Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Madalena and in today's video I'm gonna try to paint my lashes. So you don't have to. So I started seeing people painting, dyeing, tinting their lashes, and I decided to try that for myself to see if it's actually worth it, because I don't feel like putting mascara every day, but I would like to have some kind of lashes because my lashes are blonde right now. So I decided to buy this product from Allure, I think. I saw Steph Toms, I think she was using this one, so I decided to order it for myself. So I ordered this one. It was, I think, 90 euros from where I ordered it, and I also got like a free sample of perfume, like a tiny one. It smells really nice actually, but it's a bit sweet for myself. Okay, so what it says, it's a lash tint, permanent tint for lashes, black. Yeah, I chose black because why not? It lasts up to 6 weeks, under 5 minutes application, up to 8 applications, and cruelty free. In this kit it's included an activating gel of 3.5 milliliters and a developer gel of 3.5 milliliters. So they're both the same. I will open it. It's kind of hard with my hand, but I will try to. Okay, we have some instructions which we don't need. We're just gonna go with the flow. No, I'm joking. This is the kit. And on the side it has the 2 holes that you can mix your tints. The activating gel, which is step 1, and the developer gel, which is step 2, and the tiny spoolie. So I'm gonna read the instructions because I don't know how to use it. Ensure lashes are clean and dry. We suggest a non-oily makeup remover. Yeah, I just washed my face. Apply a barrier cream gel. We suggest a petroleum jelly type product on your upper and lower eyelids. I don't have that, so I'm not gonna use it. Apply 1 centimeter of activating gel to the tray using the mascara wand, coat and brush thinly. Apply the lashes, coat them well. Leave for 2 minutes. You can leave it longer for more intense results, but no longer than 8 minutes. Then using a cotton pad, remove the activating gel from your lashes by folding the pad in half and closing the lashes in between sides with your fingers and gently pulling away, doing the rest of it with clean sections of pad. Remove the tissue from the mascara wand well. Apply 1 centimeter of developer clean. Okay, so I have my trays here. I have some cotton buds. I have some cotton pads, small, big. I took what I found. So we're gonna use those. Step 1, applying the gel. I'll take this one first, the activating gel. It says to put around 1 centimeter of product in the tiny tray. It's already getting out. Okay, I think that's it. Take the spoolie. Spoolie. Made like a round blob here. And I will take the spoolie and try to rub it in. Okay, this is impossible to do. Coat it. How? Just gonna use this because I can't. Nope, that was a bad idea. Okay, how am I supposed to put this into this? Like, it just doesn't work. Just gonna take it and put it like this. There, I think that's enough. I'll also do my lower lashes. Okay, touch my skin a bit. I'll just wipe it. Can't see anything, but I'll just do it anyway. Okay, in the other eye. Now it says wait 2 minutes. So, going closer so you can see. I have no idea how long has passed. I don't know, they're getting a bit browner, so I'm just gonna clean the spoolie. This was a bad idea. Crap. I'm just gonna pull everything with my fingers because oh my god, why did I do this? It says to clean it with a napkin, but I thought the napkin is just gonna break, so I'm gonna do it with a cotton pad, but this was a very bad idea. I'm gonna go wash it. I decided not to wash it because then it gets wet, so this will have to do it. Also, it says to clean the tray if you want to use it again. So I'm also gonna clean that. So now I'm gonna take developer step 2. So I'm just gonna, no, oh, I forgot, I need to wipe it. I need to wipe it. It says to do it like this and just pinch your eyelashes. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if something is happening or wiping or... Okay, and the other one. I got something in my... There's nothing going off. Okay, maybe I didn't put enough because there's nothing. Did I do this right? I don't know, we will see. So I'm gonna put step 2 now. And again, I'm just gonna put it on the spoolie so I don't have to... I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to fit this pulley in the plastic tray. Okay. Damn it. It fell on my table, so I'm just gonna use it. Okay, it says if you put it on your eye, clean it because they need to stay in your eye. Okay, the bottom part. Okay, now the other eye. Okay, with this one it says to leave it minimum 1 minute and up to 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna leave it a bit longer. Just gonna wipe the spoolie with a paper towel this time. The liquid was actually, like the step 2, the developer was actually transparent, but I guess it just gets like blacker and blacker. I tried to wipe it as good as I could, but I didn't do a good job. I can see it now. I didn't go like all the way to the root of the eyelashes because they're still a bit blonde and they're very clumpy right now. So I hope they're not gonna stay like this. I have a bit on my hand. Oh my god. How did he get in there? So now I'll remove this too. Ow, that hurts. I don't know, I can't remove it. I can't remove it. It's dried up. Okay, on the left side I can remove something, but on the right side I can't remove anything. Yeah, if I use my finger, it works better than with the cotton pad. So I guess it kind of worked. Like, they are black. The bottom ones, they're a bit darker. I don't know, guys. Maybe I didn't do it right. What do you think? Is it worth it to do this? Yes, it takes 5 minutes, but is it worth it? Are they black? I think so. I don't know. I'm looking at myself and I see something. There is a bit of a difference, but not that much. Is it worth it? I don't know. It's £9. You can use it how many times? 8 applications. 8 times 6 weeks is 48 weeks. That means split by 4, a year. €9 for a year of tinted eyelashes. I guess it's doable. It's quite cheap, but for me it didn't do a lot. I don't know. I will try it again because it didn't do a lot. So I'll try it again and I will come back with the result. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, it will help me a lot, and leave a comment down below if you would like to see more of this kind of videos, like me testing stuff. And also leave a comment with what you would like me to test, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!